Hello viewers, welcome to Simply Sketching channel. Today we'll be sketching Minugatare Kalpana, who was a famous Kannada film actress in the past. Today I will draw a sketch inspired by her photo. Once we have completed the basic shapes, we'll draw the eyes. Once the eyes are completed, we work on the nose. Then we draw the lips and complete the bindi portion. The nose and the nose ring has been the most difficult part of this entire sketch. After completing the facial features, we will outline the entire face with pencil and also the hairline and the saree. Once the outline is completed, we will use alcohol markers, black, yes, to draw the dark parts. Then let us erase the pencil crease marks. After this, the most of the sketch is completed, and let us use warm grey markers 01, 02 and 03 for sketching the light and darker tint of the portrait.